Hi guys, I know it's been a while, but I needed to jump on this train. I know that has tons of videos about resin on YouTube, but I thought that I will show you guys everything that I'm getting everything that we're learning. So if you are new, if you never work with it, we can learn together. I've been playing around with resin for a while, but never really took that seriously to learn. So I decided to start, and I got this cup turner for tumblers. I researched a lot. I tried to see what people thought was important to have. So if you want to do tumblers, you need that, so your resin is like all perfect. So let's get started, and I will have all the link below. I got this at Amazon and it wasn't that expensive. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. So when you open the box, you're gonna see bubble wrap for protection. That's good. And this is how it looks like. This one is for 4 tumblers, like 4 cups. Doesn't matter if it's a tumbler or a smaller cup. So it comes with instructions, the manual. It comes with a silicone mat. It's always good, never too many. If you're gonna play with resin, you always, oh my god, makes so much noise. You always gonna need a silicone mat, because it's the only place then when the resin dries it's gonna come off. So you need that. We also got inside here cup drying rack. Oh, that is cute. Can you guys see? So it kind of goes up and let it dry, so you're not kind of keeping everything busy. So it comes with 4, purple, a green, a pink, and a teal. It comes with couple measuring cups. If you don't know anything about resin, it's like everything needs to be measured perfectly or it doesn't dry. So measuring cups are important. This is probably where your cup's gonna be. So we're gonna put that aside. It's kind of like a really hard foam. Let's see. We also got a 2 kit of cup turner. Okay, there's some, you know, things to tie, some of the tools, the silicone tools, and probably, if I would say, gloves, because it's very important. So let's see, we got another one. Since I said it was like for 4 pieces, I guess you can make pins or things that are smaller, so it gets different ones. We also got PVC pipe for the turner. It's 10 inches, and then diameter is 3/4 inch. So we have that. We got also some pretty glitters. Never much, like you always need glitter, and it gives a little pop or whatever you're making. And here we go. That's what we have. Let's get this out here. So that's how you're gonna see it. So this is the top. So it will sit like that on your work table. And what I think is that we're gonna put the pipes and then put that. So I'm gonna read so we can see, because I know then there's all those boxes, then it doesn't really show you what to do. So we're gonna learn together. So let's see. Woo! Oh my god, what's going on? Okay, so we're gonna get the pipes. It's gonna be here. As I can see there, step 1, insert the PVC tube from the tube. We're gonna place right there. Oh, I see now. This comes out? No. Okay. 1. I'm just gonna make 2 so you guys can see it. But it will be to the side. Oh, this side goes more. Oh, I see now. See, we have a little hole, so you're gonna go closer to that and really put it inside. I think that's why you have those little hooks. Let's see. On your tool little baggie, we have this, and I think that's why. We can open and place it right here. Open, open. Oh my my goodness, here we go. Let's see, where is the hole? Right there. We're going to place it, and kind of need to find it. Where is it? Oh, here we go. And then we're gonna tie it on the bottom. Here we go, all tight. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. It's not hard, guys. If you don't see it, what it is, the little hole, just open, you just unscrew like this, and then play around. You're gonna see really easy where it is. And then we're gonna close this one. Okay, same thing we're doing in the other side if you're gonna put 4, but I'm just gonna leave those 2 so the video doesn't get super long. Okay, step 2. Is that already done? Oh, I see. This is a, they say that is a 3-in-1 phone inserts. Depends how big your cup it is. For example, if you have a very big tumbler, you can use this one. If you have the 20 ounces, that's what I have here. This is for sublimation, but just to try. So you might need a smaller one, you know, to really hold it. So it gives you a couple of sizes for this. And then so what you're gonna do, you're gonna do this, and you're gonna place right there. Place it right there. I am going to turn it on. Let's see, just to see how it works. And I am starting, there you go. Okay, let's see. So we're gonna, there's a little button on the side. Let me show you guys. You see? On and off, on and off. So as soon as you press on, you already can see that the tumbler is rotating. So what happens, and why is this good? Because resin is gonna take a little while to settle down. And then if you don't do this and you let it dry in a stop motion way, it's gonna be like clogged, or it's gonna drip to one side and not drip to the other. So this is perfect. How about that, guys? Is that okay? Is that good? So measuring cups is for you to measure resin. Let's see this little rack, drying rack that they say that we have 4. Cup drying rack. Let's see how that works. We open, it's kind of like a tripod, and you're probably gonna get the same tube that we had it. You get it out of here and you just place it to dry your cup. Like we're done, plug it out, and then you place your cup just like so to dry. Okay, I'm pretty excited to try it, guys. I will leave this exactly one link then I got an Amazon for you guys to see. It's not a sponsor. I just starting to play resin, so we can start together. See if you want to do something for gifts or something to make some extra money. It's always good to make something creative and use your, you know, your brain and keep it fresh. So let's start doing this. Again, all the links going to be down below. And then we're going to start posting also videos with resin. I know my channel has a little bit of everything that you can create or make with your hands. So let's play with this too. Thank you so much, guys. And I'm going to show you one more time here on the side. And the name is LFSUM 4-cup rotator for epoxy. And thank you. Bye.